व्यायामात् लभते स्वास्थ्यं दीर्घायुष्यं बलं सुखम् आरोग्यं परमं भाग्यं स्वास्थ्यं सर्वार्थसाधनम्. The beauty of Bharatanatyam performance lies only in the posture. Aramandi, Murumandi are some of the postures which are depicted in Bharatanatyam. Aramandi requires bending your knees slightly lower. Although it's a bit strenuous and tiring to do perfectly for the first time, it is the most important part in a performance. These are few warm-up exercises for a better Aramandi. Slowly squat down as shown in the video. Once you are comfortable, rock your body from side to side. Feel the stretch in the hips and thighs. After doing this, stretch your upper body as shown. This exercise is really beneficial for a dancer to open up the hips, glutes and hip flexors. Yoga tones the muscles and keeps joints flexible. Yogasanas practiced with awareness teach a dancer to link between breath and movement, which in turn helps harness the energy breath gives. The result? High energy levels and the stamina needed to perform for long hours or for executing challenging or energetic dance sequences with more respiratory ease and grace. The less breathlessness helps dancers maintain their flexibility and focus on executing challenging sequences with more poise, resilience, and balance. Yoga boosts confidence and creativity, qualities essential for performances and choreographing, reducing risks of dance-related injuries and overuse injuries, helps deal with pre-concert and or on-stage nervousness. Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Now stretch your legs as far as possible. Now take a deep breath and stretch forward slowly and consistently. This opens up your hips and strengthens your glute muscles. In India, the ancient life science of yoga and the art form of dance have been intertwined for centuries. The practice of yoga brings about stability, poise, and balance in body, mind, and spirit. Similarly, the elegant, highly refined classical dance forms of India bring into play the mind, body, and spirit through the medium of artistic gestures, poses, and facial expressions. Kapotasana or pigeon pose opens the hips and makes them flexible, stretches the knees, muscles, tendons, and ligaments, and increases circulation in these areas. Helps your posture by opening major muscles and muscle groups in the legs. Helps your back feel better. Draws the focus inward, both stilling and opening the mind. Natarajasana. This aesthetic, stretching and balancing asana develops concentration and grace. It is a beautiful pose with tremendous power, and the balance and tension in the arms and legs can be compared with an archery bow. Utkatasana, chair pose. The chair pose exercises the spine, hips, and chest muscles. It aids in strengthening the lower back and torso. It also tones the thighs, ankles, leg, and knee muscles. This yoga posture assists dancers to bring balance to the body. Trikonasana strengthens and opens hips, hamstrings, calves, shoulders, chest, and spine. This posture also increases the physical and mental equilibrium and relieves anxiety, stress, and back pain. Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward facing dog pose, is a rejuvenating yoga posture that brings strength throughout the body, especially the arms, shoulders, legs, and feet. It tones the muscles, increases circulation to the brain, lengthens the spine, and strengthens chest muscles. This posture helps dancers calm the mind and relieves fatigue or headache. Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. The bridge pose strengthens the back muscles and stretches the chest, neck, and spine. It also relieves the body of backache and calms the brain. Purvottanasana, the upward plank pose strengthens the wrists, arms, shoulders, back, and spine. It also stretches the legs and hips. Do not do this asana if you have any back related issues. It is these proven transformative qualities of yoga that can help dancers bring a new sparkle and added dimension to their performances, their personalities, and their career.